goes my eardrums.
Can't believe you're sad. You're happy that you're fired. Okay, there's the video. In the classwork. In the classwork tab. This is today. More and more slope. As you can see tomorrow, you can do quizzes. That's what we're doing today. Everybody good? We good? Everybody cool? All right, you ready to sketch some lines? If you were able to get it printed, then awesome. If you weren't, then you're just going to get to watch this part. Very sad for you because this is the best part. So this is the equation that we're sketching. Does everybody see this at the bottom here? Y equals negative 7 over 2. Okay, somebody's going to have to mute. Plus 5. What's happening?
It's not Blake. It's not Blake. Blake is muted.
I don't hear it anymore either. Okay.
Blake's been.
Okay.
I'm looking at myself, so there's no.
Yeah, it's you, Blake. Mute yourself. Okay, if you need to say something though, Blake, you can unmute yourself. Okay, where's my thing? All right, we back to sketching lines. So we're going to use the slope-intercept formula. Y equals mx plus b right here. Does everybody see that?
Yeah.
Okay, and so this is what we're sketching. Y equals negative 7 over 2x plus 5. B is the what? Remember that talk. B is the... Hello? Am I muted?
No, what did you say?
What does B stand for?
Yeah.
The
y-intercept. That's where it crosses the y-axis, right? So I'm going to put a dot on 5. So everybody see that's the B right here.
Yeah.
And then what is this?
The slope.
The slope. That means we go down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we're going to run how many?
2.
Good. And then put a dot. And then we're going to take a straight edge or whatever you have because mine's hard to do. Yeah, that doesn't work. And draw the line. And you just graphed a line. Yes? Awesome. So again, we have y equals mx plus b. So what is b in this one right here?
The y-intercept.
The y-intercept.
The y-intercept. What is it?
Negative 5.
Negative 5. Awesome. So put a dot on negative 5. What is the slope right here?
1.
It's 1. And it has to be in fraction form, so it's 1 over 1. Is everybody still with me? If you're not, say something. So we're going to rise 1, run 1. And that is it. And then we're going to connect the dots all the way through. And what do you notice with the slope of 1?
It hits every intersection.
There you go. It crosses every intersection. Perfect. Everybody caught up?
Yes.
Okay, scroll down. Number 3. So we're going to graph y equals 1/2 x minus 3. What's the y-intercept?
Negative 3.
Negative 3.
Then we're going to rise how many?
1.
And run
2.
2.
just like that. Oh, this is hard. Awesome. What about this one? That's weird. What's the y-intercept? There you go. Good job. What's the slope?
1.
1. So that's 1 over 1. So we're going to rise 1, run 1. So this is going to be crossing every what?
Intersection.
Intersection.
And 0. It goes directly through it. Y'all feeling confident about graphing lines?
Yeah.
Next page. What is the y-intercept?
2.
2.
2. And the slope?
1, 6.
Pretty cool, huh? What about this one? Y-intercept?
5.
Slope?
-4/3.
Y'all think you can do number 7 by yourself?
Yes.
Do it. So I did -6. Well, come on now. And I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Is that what everybody else's looks like?
Yeah.
Yes.
Except mine's wrong. Go ahead and do number 8.
Okay.
So I got 0 is the y-intercept. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Ready to move on?
Yes.
I'll let y'all do the next 4 by yourself.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Gosh, my ears.
Somebody got excited. So y'all can check your answers with mine. There's number 9. Here is number, that's the wrong thingy. There's number 10. Everybody get them right? So that's a no.
Mhm.
I'll leave them up there for a minute. What's the slope here on number 9?
-1/1.
There you go. And this is -2/3. It'll be plus 0, right? So your y-intercept is 0. Awesome. Number 11. What's the y-intercept? And the slope is 5/3. What happens here?
Gets off the graph.
Yeah, I can't add to the graph. What do you think I can do to this to
I get a negative.
make what a negative?
The 5.
Just the 5
And the 3.
and the 3. Let's see if that still gives us a positive slope. 1, 2, well, everybody watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we go over to the left, 1, 2, because it's a -2, and for negative you go backwards, right? Is that still a positive slope? Is it still going up?
Yes.
So now y'all do number 4. I mean number 12.
Miss Milliken, I have a question.
Yes,
Why did you go with 2 instead of 3 on the number 11?
because I meant to go over 3. I was testing you. I'm just kidding. Because I obviously cannot count, Austin. So this is -6/1. What do I do here?
You make the you move the negative to the 1. And then
Perfect. So you make it 6 and then a -1. Perfect. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then over to the left 1. And does that keep us with a negative slope? Yes. Awesome. Is everybody caught up? If you're not, speak now. All right, turn the page. We're going to write the equations in slope-intercept form. Number 1, Jenna works at a retail shop. She makes $10 for 1 hour of work, plus $3 for each item she sells. Write an equation in slope-intercept form showing how to determine Jenna's paycheck. We've already done this, right? 3 for each means that's the what?
X.
X. So it's y equals mx plus b. So it's going to be y equals 3x plus what?
10.
10. The way we did it in the past was 3x plus 10 equals y, or whatever.
Subtract.
No, wait, there's nothing to do yet. Now look at A. How much does Jenna make in 1 hour if she sells 5 items during that hour? So this is your items. So where does the 5 go?
The X.
At the X.
Good. So what does y equal?
25.
25.
Good job. And letter B. How many items would Jenna need to sell in an hour to make $43 during that hour? So now where does 43 go?
At the Y.
And then how do we solve that?
Subtract 10.
Good. We did on the right, we did on the left. And we are left with, I believe it's 33 equals 3x. And then you do what?
Divide it.
By 3, and you get x equals
11.
good. So far, so good?
Mhm.
Okay, good. Okay, number 2. Suppose that the water level of a river is 34 feet and that it is receding at a rate of 0.5 foot per day. Write an equation for the water level L, which will be your y, after D, which will be your x, days, and how many days will the water level be 26 feet? So if you want to write it with the L and the L is going to be the water level. The D is going to be the days, okay? And then plus B, do you see I just replaced the Y and the X? So the water level of a river is 34 feet and it's receding at a rate of 5 feet per day. This one we're going to have to flip it. So what is it now? Minus, this one's a tough one, that's why I'm doing it with you. You see how I flipped it?
Yeah.
Or you could have done it this way. L equals negative 0.5 D plus 34. I just thought flipping it made it a little bit easier. Are you with me?
Yes.
Anybody? I heard 2 yeses. Everybody with me?
Yes.
See, I made that a negative because it's receding. It's receding, right? Everybody see that it's receding?
Yes.
That means subtracting. But I just thought this was a little bit easier. And then it asks, how many days will it be 26 feet? So you're going to be 34 minus 0.5 D equals 26. Then what do you do?
Add 34. Add 34.
No. It's already a positive. You are left with negative 0.5 D equals what?
Negative 12.
Are you guys not using a calculator? It's not negative 12. There you go. And then we divide both sides by what?
5.5. 0.5. Negative.
There you go. Going to negative divided by negative is going to give you a positive, right? What do we do here?
Decimal.
Good job. Let y'all work that out. It's going to give you the answer. What'd you get?
16.
16. Good.
Mine put 15.
So is it 16 days? Yep. Awesome. So I want you guys to do 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's all there is right now by yourself. And then when you guys finish, we can go over them. If you don't finish, then we'll check it tomorrow. But I think you'll finish. It's only 104. Okay? And everybody should be writing these, even if you didn't print out the thing.
Miss Pelican, which ones are we doing?
The rest of them.
No, not really.
You weren't able to print it out. You should have been doing the ones on, all right, let's see how we did. Number 3, in order to join a dancing club, there is a $37 startup fee and a $6 monthly fee. Write an equation in slope-intercept form that models the situation. What does it look like?
Y equals 6x plus 37.
Plus, awesome. And what does it look for a 1-year membership?
Y equals 6 times 12 equals 37.
Plus 37? Yes, awesome. And then what'd you get for the answer?
109.
Everybody get 109? Hello?
Yes.
Awesome. Number 4, Rufus collected 100 pounds of aluminum cans to recycle. He plans to collect an additional 25 pounds each week. Write the equation for the total pounds P of aluminum cans after W weeks. How long will it take Rufus to collect 400 pounds of cans? So it could have been P equals what?
25x.
X or W, you could use either one, plus
100.
100. And where does the 400 go? We're going to put that in there.
Where the P
Good job.
Where the
Where the Y is or where the P is, yes. Did y'all solve it? What'd you get?
12.
12? Everybody get 12 weeks?
Yes.
Yes.
Good. Number 5, a plumber charges $25 for a service call plus $50 per hour of service. Write an equation in slope-intercept form for the cost C after H hours of service. What will be the cost for 8 hours of work? What will be the cost for 10 hours of work? So it's going to be C or Y equals what?
25.
58 plus 25.
Good job. 50H plus 25. Where does the 8 go if we're doing 8 hours of work?
Where the H is.
Good. And what'd you get for that?
425.
And for 10 hours of work, where would the 10 go?
Where the H is.
And what'd you get there?
525.
Good job. Questions so far?
Nope.
And number 6. For babysitting, Nicole charges charges a flat fee of $3 plus $5 per hour. Write an equation and graph the cost C, which is the Y, after H, which is the X hours of babysitting. So first it's going to be C equals
5x plus 3.
5X plus 3. So what's the Y-intercept?
3.
There you go. And the slope is 5 over 1, but since we can't go up 5, what are we going to do?
Make it negative.
Make them both of them negative. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1. And there is our graph. And then what's the other question? 5 hours? Where does that go?
Where the H is.
That should have been an H, I'm sorry. So C equals 5 times 5 plus 3 gives you what? 28, awesome. All right, you guys have any questions?
No.
Nope. No, we're gonna stop there. Tomorrow we'll do a quiz. I will be live on Zoom. And then I'll load the quizzes once everybody gets on. Okay? You'll have the whole 24 hours to get it done, but I'm not gonna load it until class time, so it'll keep you online tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.
And that way you can ask questions. And the quizzes, if you have questions, you can either screenshot it and send it to me or just read it to me. I'm pretty smart. I can probably figure it out. Okay. All right. I'll see you guys later. Y'all can X out now.
Okay.
See y'all tomorrow. Same time.
Bye.
Bye.